for half around the house, and this is an amazing little tool. Right now it has a 6-inch bar on it, but it's a little cordless chainsaw. Really great. I like some of the options it has. Done, probably about a half hour's worth of work, and I went through 3 batteries. And I had to charge them all up. Charge is really nice. Charger gets hot. I wouldn't leave the thing plugged in overnight. I don't quite trust it like I would a DeWalt or a Milwaukee yet. I'm sure I'll learn to trust it, learn to love it. But what this comes with is also an 8-inch bar, which is really cool. And I'll show you how this adjusts. It's a really unique adjustment to keep your chain tight on your chainsaw. It comes with some chains. This also comes with a little oiler to put the oil into the chainsaw reservoir. All right, I cleaned her up a little bit. Now, to explain the tensioner, which I think is just genius. See this little knobby poo right there? That knob fits right in here, right there. And as you turn that, that's going to manipulate that knob and push it and allow it to come back. Of course, the tighter you go, it's going to tighten up the chain tighter. Now, I've got some shots of actually cutting some underbrush and some pretty decent, and it was pretty hard. I think it's some sort of elm that's really difficult to cut, but it cut through it pretty decently. Follow the video here and we'll show you what it did. Yeah, so we'll give you some examples what this can do. Get the bulb, give her a little bit of oil every once in a while. These are little cuts, so you can feel that bulb depress and squeeze the oil out. Just like that. This will be a pretty good shot. Look how it can fit into places, but be careful. That thing will jump and it could bite you. So, of course, this is a serious tool. Treat it with respect or you'll regret it. Just like that. Get you another shot of that one. I'll do one more just for fun. Look at that. That ain't too bad, is it? There. I like it. So yeah, I would strongly recommend that brand. 6-inch, 8-inch bar, around 55 bucks. And the Amazon link will be at the bottom. This is Hap for Hap Around the House. Thanks for watching. See you next time.